You can see paw prints from the raccoons on the dust. See the paw prints there? So, they're coming from this corner here, and they're going along the soffit, and then coming out from the other side. So, and then there's a vaulted ceiling that goes over the main litter line. It's pretty much confirmed. Derek with the Eliminex. We're in the attic right now. We see the raccoon droppings. And they're going through the attic space. Got acorns too. Look for like paw prints on the ends, on the insulation. I gotta take some photos and make a report. But there's definitely raccoons up here. Look at the Eliminex. We're here in Monroe, New Jersey. I'm holding the phone this way. I was holding the phone vertical. When you do it sideways, you get like a better view when you upload it. When I do vertical, it's like for Instagram, because it gets cropped out. But for YouTube and other media, you do it sideways so you get like a bigger frame. So it's raccoon problem. I'm gonna take another video in the attic if I can get any definite footage. But we already spotted how the raccoon's getting into the house. Likely climbing this tree. It's a lot much easier. I mean, they're capable of just going up the siding if they wanted. And so right away, I see like the broken soffit, how they're getting in, and I'm gonna go into the attic just to, entertain me. Next here, so we see how the raccoons are getting into the house from this corner here, and they're going into the soffit area. Also hanging out over here. That's another nesting spot. And I see some footprints. So, all right.